Hello, my dears. It's a bit windy. But this video is about invitation. You are invited to our special Tantra online workshop called the Flavour of Tantra, happening 16th of November till 20th of November. And we are going to discover the basic information of Tantra, but it's not basic like a boring, but basic like amazing. We are going to cover many different topics. For example, who is tantric man, who is tantric woman, how you can recognize them, how you can become the tantric man or tantric woman, and why. We are going to also discover the topics of sexuality. So we will touch the topic of orgasms, of ejaculation, or also menstruation. We are going to talk about curse of pleasure. We are going to talk about much more. And the one of the most interesting and most valuable practice of this workshop is called transfiguration. Transfiguration is something very beautiful, very amazing. It's just very everything, because you are just going to learn how to worship yourself and your partner as a god and goddess, because everyone has god and goddess inside of us. And maybe they are sleeping, they are waiting for you to discover them. And this transfiguration is going to help you, not only, but this is the top, the top of it, on like the cherry, on the top of the ice cream or something like that. And you are starting, after this transfiguration, you are starting to look at yourself and your partner in a different way. As a god and goddess, actually. The way of behavior towards each other is way much different. The relationship is different, but it's not only for couples. You, as an individual, can do the same, because you are, if you are a man, you have your Shiva, you have your God inside. You have the powerful masculinity, which maybe is still waiting. Then you will discover. The same for women. We are Shaktis. We are goddesses. And none of us, or most of us, we don't know it. And it's due to bad relationship, bad education, bad behavior of others, of our beloved ones. So especially for us women, we were learned to be like... they don't want us to be powerful. But also it belongs to men. They don't want you to be powerful as you are. And this transfiguration is going to change the look at yourself, look at your partner, look at the women, look at the men in general. Then you see the shining goddess, shining God inside of each of us. And it's just different. It's I would say life-changing experience. But not only this transfiguration, but the whole Tantra teaching is like opening the door into another world, when you just you have the feeling like you just woke up from a dream. So that was for me. That's my own experience, my dears. And I would like, and I really wish, to share it with you. So I'm giving you this opportunity to discover yourself, to start your journey, to change everything you would like. And it will be my pleasure to be with you on your path. So I really hope I will see you on our workshop. The link is above, so you can check in there. And till then, my dears, I wish you all the best, and I can't wait to see you. Mwah!